So coming back to the Digital Labs test suite cockpit, so we were talking about the automated test case recommendations. So I mean, I can show you like one of the test case runs where Kden has scanned the respective SAP system and come up with the automated test case generations automatically. So this is one such test result where Kden has scanned the SAP system and come up with a complete set of results. Maybe let me launch one such test case which will be taking us through the test case wizard in specific. So from a test suite cockpit as part of the catalog, so we have launched one test case and we have come as part of the test case wizard. So K10, yeah, it comes up with this complete workflows, the automation, the knowledge base assets, the timeline planning, the automation via the UA and API way, the defects management, the issues specifically like how you asked. So everything can be tracked upon in this one wizard for this specific test case. So talking about the test center, yeah, it primarily focuses upon the metadata information which can be managed upon this with this test case, the stakeholders planning in specific from a system integrator perspective, as well as from a customer perspective, the different roles with regard to the test cases management, the plan is actual timeline planning, the files, I mean, the documents and the complete assets can be tracked in one organized way. The discussions in order to have the forums and chat, the conversations happening. So the references, the technical information primarily to capture any transport request oriented towards this specific operation or like the OSS nodes, the other technical objects, and also like facilitating integration between the process as well as the projects as well, the linked work items, and then also adding a wiki or notes as well. So looking at this test center, so this becomes one a place where from a test manager, the test engineer, the tester as well, so they can come and have complete uh, operations as part of this wizard, not just stopping from a IT testing perspective, also from a project perspective, the consultants can come in, the functional, the technical consultants can come and look at this wizard. They can make any changes, updations, they can have conversations happening upon, they can add wiki or notes. The project manager can also track upon the respective test cases, the planning and things like that. So from a system integrator perspective, different roles can come into play in this one workplace. And also like from a customer perspective as well, they can be very much transparent and have complete control on what's happening with respect to the digital transformation testing as well. So this test center offers one complete comprehensive view towards the test uh, management with the stakeholders and the timeline. And yeah, test lab, it primarily focuses upon the test scripts and the test evidences in specific. So talking about testing, so primarily preparing the test scripts from a stakeholder perspective on how the test case has to be executed, primarily preparing the test sequence with the data set, the files, and then also tracking the version history with the stakeholders, and then also tracking the test executions. Once this test script is prepared and it is done via the manual or the automated way, so the test evidences and logs can also be generated with the test in the similar sequence on how the test script was prepared with the past, I mean with the successful or failure result as the outcome as well. So